Welcome to 2415 Veneto Way. This beautiful main-level living home provides luxury, comfort, convenience, energy efficiencies, and the lifestyle so many people enjoy only while on vacation. Imagine waking each morning to Pikes Peak glowing outside your windows, sipping coffee on your covered patio as the mountains come alive, then deciding whether today calls for a round of championship golf, a workout or pickleball at the athletic club, lunch with friends, or simply staying home and enjoying your beautiful home located in the low-maintenance Village of Encore within world-class Flying Horse Resort and Club. This home feels elegant without ever feeling formal, creating spaces that are equally perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening at home. You'll enjoy the incredible sense of openness, high ceilings, rich hickory floors, tons of natural lighting pouring through expansive windows, and the breathtaking mountain views immediately right outside. I love how seamlessly the indoor living connects with the outdoor spaces. The heart of this home is the beautiful living room anchored by a gas fireplace, and it opens directly to the dining room and the kitchen. The covered patio becomes another living space to enjoy year-round. These views are one of the reasons people choose Flying Horse. The main level primary suite continues the feeling of comfort and relaxation. Wake up to mountain views, step directly onto the deck, then enjoy a spa-inspired 5-piece bath and a spacious walk-in closet with convenient access to the laundry room. Also on the main level is a dedicated office that's perfect for working from home and a full bath, offering flexibility for guests and multi-generational living. The basement offers multiple options for use and enjoyment with a wet bar and fireplace as well. You'll enjoy game days, holidays, entertaining friends, and there's 2 additional bedrooms and full baths. A unique feature is the geothermal heat pump. This helps supplement utilities and is energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Of course, living here extends well beyond the walls of the home. Flying Horse Resort and Club offers one of Colorado Springs' premier resort lifestyles, with optional membership providing access to 2 championship golf courses, a stunning European-inspired clubhouse, athletic club and spa, multiple pools, tennis, pickleball, exceptional dining and social events, and so much more. There's even lodging, villas, and event space. You'll also appreciate award-winning Academy District 20 schools and convenient access to entertainment, restaurant, healthcare, shopping, the Ford Amphitheater, easy access to the United States Air Force Academy, Powers Corridor, and I-25. Enjoy this incredible luxury lifestyle in the low-maintenance village in one of the finest resort communities in all of Colorado.